Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we're going to show you how to troubleshoot and replace a non-working circulation pump with the 74427E5. But before we get started, you'll need these tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, hose pinching pliers, needle nose vice grips, 2 wine bottle corks, channel locking pliers, 2 towels, a multimeter, and an 1/8 inch drill bit. Step 1. Remove the 4 screws on the equipment compartment door and set it aside. Step 2. Place your hand on the circ pump. If it is working, you will feel a vibration. Step 3. Remove the IQ 2020 control box lid and locate the circ pump terminals. Step 4. Set your multimeter to 200 ACV. Touch one lead to the black prong and the other lead to the white prong. You should get a reading around 120 volts. If you get a good voltage reading and your circ pump is not working, it means you have a bad circ pump. A voltage reading of 0 means either the summer timer is on or you have a bad motherboard. In this video we have good voltage, which means we have a bad circ pump. Step 5. Disconnect power to the spa. Step 6. Disconnect the black, white, and green circ pump wires from the motherboard and remove the strain relief clamp from the bottom of the control box. On spas prior to 1997, the circ pump simply unplugs from the bottom of the control box. Notice how the black wire of the circ pump plugs into the fuse. Make sure the fuse is good before installing a new pump. Test the fuse by checking the voltage at the black circ pump terminal. If you have good voltage going into the fuse, but no voltage coming out the other side of the fuse, it means you have a bad fuse. In this video, our fuse is good, and our voltage is good, which means we have a bad circ pump. Step 7. Remove the mounting screws holding the old circ pump to the equipment compartment floor. Step 8. Pinch the 2 3/4 inch hoses with your hose pinch pliers and remove the hose clamps. Avoid pinching the hoses too close to the PVC fitting, as that could break the fitting. Pull the hoses off the old pump and stuff them with the wine corks, and then remove the old circulation pump. Step 9. Remove the protective covers from the circ pump inlet and outlet. Remove the wine corks and push the hoses onto the pump. Pinch the hose clamps with the channel locks and pull them over the hoses. And remove the hose pinch pliers and check for leaks. Step 10. If your new circulation pump has a grounding lug, attach a copper bonding wire from the ground lug on the back of the circ pump to the ground lug bonding terminal on the IQ 2020 control box. Some circulation pumps, like the old Silent Flow 5000 version that we removed in this video, do not have a ground lug. Step 11. Position the circ pump and drill a hole in the equipment compartment floor using a 1/8 inch drill bit. Secure the circ pump with a screw. Step 12. Using your needle nose vice grips, push the 3 wires and the strain relief clamp up through the bottom of the control box. Reconnect the 3 wires to the correct prongs on the motherboard. The green ground wire on your old circ pump may have been connected to the motherboard with a flag terminal on P31. Your new E5 circ pump has a ring terminal on the green ground wire. Connect the green ground wire with the ring terminal to the blower ground screw next to P15. Make sure each of the 3 wires are securely fastened to the terminals. Step 13. Reconnect power to the tub. Install the IQ 2020 control box lid and put the equipment compartment door back on. You're all done. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.